If you're looking for makeup that takes less than 5 minutes to apply in the mornings or just whenever you're on the go, I have just the thing for you. So this is Seint makeup, and this is cream based, goes on so easily. You don't have to be a makeup professional to apply this makeup. It gives that 3D look, and I'm applying my contour right now just to give more of a shadow. Next, I'm gonna go in with my all over highlight, and this is more of like your foundation. It's just evening out my skin tone. And if you need to be color matched to these colors, just see the link in the caption and I can get you personally color matched for you. Takes less than 5 minutes to fill out the survey, send me a selfie, and then I will send back your color matches. So I'm gonna flip this brush over and apply a little bit of brightening highlight just to make these areas stand out a little bit more. And then I'm gonna flip it back over and just blend out a little bit. So as you can see, I'm not blending too much, more of like dabbing these areas because I still want that brightening there. Okay, so I've already applied 3 colors. This is bronzer, just to give more of that warmth to the outer parts of my face. Still using this same brush. This is the 3D brush. So useful. You can also keep this compact in your bag on the go. If you like to apply your makeup in the car, it's perfect for that. Let's do some Dahlia on my cheeks, still using the same brush. How pretty of a color is this? And what's so great about our lip and cheeks are you can use this color on your lips, and it's so pretty. We have tons of colors to choose from. So next I'm gonna go into my eyeshadows. I'm actually gonna do my brows first, but I'm gonna use an eyeshadow for this and just fill in these brows just a little bit. Most of our eyeshadows are powder based. We do have a couple of creams, but most are powder. And if you need help color matching to your brows, I can definitely help with that. I'm gonna go in to this shadow here and just wash that all over. Love this color for summer, transitioning into fall, and just wash that all over. This is the eyeshadow brush, and all of our brushes are double-ended, which makes it so convenient. Okay, and then let's do a little bit of a shimmer. So I'm gonna go into Soulmate and just apply that to the inner corner there. And then last but not least is our illuminator, just to the high points here, just to give it a little bit of a shimmer down my nose, Cupid's bow a little here, and watch this. Want a little bit of shimmer to your lips? Just apply that all over. That's it. So Seint makeup, less than 5 minutes, and I walked you through it in less than 5 minutes. How easy is that?